Hi guys, welcome to the viewer suggested room making video thing. I have set up the mod files so that it shouldn't immediately explode. It doesn't specify how big it needs to be, but he said to make it as big as I need to have 6 entrances. I'm so good at speaking, so I should probably make it maybe 3 screens. Probably speed it up because otherwise this video will be like 6 hours or something. He did say to have either 0 or 2 or a 2 tile gap between the tiles. I think it should be 2. Cut like when it's finished, because that should be the tiles done. I'm going to mark these so that they don't just disappear in the trash because I want them to still be visible. It's done. Let's go. And it's done. Right on the 30-minute mark, by the way. I guess see you when it's in game, so... Okay, in theory it should be working. I'll get closer to the microphone. Whoops, you are not supposed to see that. Also, you're not supposed to see that. Close your eyes right now. Yes, it works. Okay. Now they said a cool or neutral color palette. Like I know what that, like my foreign ass knows what that means. One last thing is this. Just the sound. Eh? Yeah, I think it looks good. And that took me 35 minutes. Yeah, this video will be like extremely long, I'm guessing. I just realized I should probably also make a shelter, so... I haven't actually made a shelter before. Like all the shelters are just or the existing ones with different tires. Like I don't change the geometry that much. So I guess this will be a learning experience for at least one of us. The shelter should be done. I guess I'll just put it in game. I should have it in game. I just have to check if it works, and that's crazy. Okay. Whoopsies. What the fuck? Alright, let's hope it doesn't self-combust this time. Yeah, I'm so bad at this. Oh, where is it? Oh, by the way, decided to name the region Observer Thoughts because viewer observer thoughts. Oh wow, this actually worked. Damn. Yeah, I think that looks good. Actually, can I do it? Can you do like a thing where you spawn right there? Like when you... oh sure, spawn point, there we go. Boom. Yeah, that's cool. See, like it almost functions. I guess let's move on to the next room. I've been pondering about how to do this and I have no idea, so I just make it 4x4 because it's supposed to be a big room, and then we'll figure it out from there. I don't know. Now, the comment originally said to have some screens that are barely functioning. I guess I will try to do something like that, but I don't know if the screen tiles actually exist, so... oh my god. Actually... see how the moss looks that I put there. I think it should be fine, but yeah, let's see it in game. In theory, it should be in game, so yeah. Or it can just explode. That's also great. Wow. Hold on. Okay, let's hope it works now. No, so it explodes. That's fucking awesome. Okay, try 3. I'm not even going to say it might work, and it doesn't. Why? What did I do? I swear to God, if it doesn't work. Fucking finally, bro. Wow. I think it's done. Yeah. I think I did pretty well. Oh, by the way, the room transitions will be like absolutely horrible. Like, it will make zero sense on how this goes from one room to the other. Like, look at this. Absolutely amazing. How long did that take? 35 minutes without the tweaking of. I think it. Damn. Okay, well, on to the next room. Now for this next room, I actually made a decal for it because it is a Slugcat house colony thing, I don't know. Yeah. I think I have like the basic shape figured out. For some reason, I always just imagined that Slugcats just live in the burrows underground, like this. But I guess it's in a cliffside, so my point still stands. I think they would be like smart enough to just grab a pile of bricks or something and then just relocate that. And I feel like that makes sense. And depending on how good it will look on the render, it might work. Okay, well, time to put this in game. If it explodes this time, I swear to God. Oh my fucking. Okay, let's try to. I think I solved the issue. This is what happens when you put in the wrong acronym, guys. This shelter is still broken. I made it connect to here, and I also put it on a different layer. Alright, that's it. Is finished, so let's see. Look at that little drawing. I had to look at the government cutscene to see how Slugcats draw themselves. I think it turned out pretty well. Actually, let's put like one more lantern over here. So I guess this is the final version. I think it looks pretty good. On to the next one. Now for this next one, I'm actually pretty excited to make it. But I can decide whether it should be 3 or 6 screens. It's only going to be 3 screens by each, I said. Yeah, I think that's good. I think we can start to see the vision. I got this jump scaring new, just randomly stopping the time lapse, so you can hear me yak about what I'm doing. Oh shit. Alright, I quickly looked at the watcher thing. The pad. Not that. Can I? Okay, so I just noticed how I actually ended the video somewhere. No idea where, and I'm not going to check because it's 40 minutes long, so just going to quickly go through this again, like what the final product is. I think it looks alright. Like nothing too bad, nothing too interesting. It is my first desert room, so I think that's pretty notable. Oh my. I forgot the collision for that. That's wowzers. But yeah, I do kind of want to show off this screen. On to the next row. Oh my god, on to the next row. Right, this next room is a U-shaped tower, upside down U-shaped, 4-screen towards, oh my god, 4-screen towards tower, so, yeah. Man, I'm bad at making specific shapes. The editor. I think that's good for geometry. Let's go to the tile zone. Okay, well that's done. See you when it's in game, I guess. Alright, it's in game. Let's do the things, I guess. I don't know. Once again, it stopped the recording. I really should look into that. Like, I don't know why it's doing that, but here's the final room. I should probably... Yeah, so here's how the final the room looks in general. I think it's alright. Oh my. See, like, you would never notice that I was there. I probably would have in like 10 seconds and then fix it. But yeah, on to the next room, which I'm going to do tomorrow because it's 11 p.m. Alright, I changed the end recording keybind so that it doesn't explode like immediately when I press the number 3. This next room was requested to be Terraria like, or just make Terraria, because I'm not doing a 3D room. I don't even know how to go about that. Man, I fucked up so hard. I think geometry is actually pretty simple, should be pretty simple for this room, as I'm basing it off of the forest starting area of Terraria. So, kind of try to recreate those weird holes that sometimes just appear, the hills on the side. Wait, do I even need to do more tiling? I think the rest can just be props and stuff. This is just a Noita tutorial store, what the fuck? Kind of considering if I should make that the pit water, you know? I think I do, like, why not? Okay, so let's put this in game. Side note, why is like the Rain World load time extremely long for mods ever since Watcher came out? Like, look at this. That's one region. That is insane. Yes, this shelter will forever stay broken. You cannot do anything about it. Oh. Yeah, I can't, but that's Alright, so I think the room is finished. Don't think it looks bad. You can kinda tell what it was like supposed to be. Yeah. On to the next room. This also took 30 minutes, by the way. This is very time consuming. Yeah, I had to think about what I'm going to do for this one. It is a subway station. Uh, I have a rough idea of what I'm going to do. So yeah, start the time lapse. Let me look at that reference real quick. I'm not entirely sure about the timing, but like, you know, the geometry in general. I don't know why or what I thought this would look like, because I had to think about what I would do for this one. And I think I got pretty close to what I wanted to do, so it's still not in game. Like, this can turn out to be really good or really bad. I don't have much faith. Added those little signs. They could be like, I don't know, the ancient version of the maps for a subway station, I guess, maybe. Okay, well, the rendering is done. Let's see it in game. Okay, it's in game. Probably, hopefully. This shelter is going to stay broken, by the way. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think it's finished. Looks pretty neat. In my opinion, it's actually pretty hard to make something in the Rainbow Simulator that just genuinely just looks bad. Like, you would have to try to do that. Not turning it into real, probably. Alright, well, on to the next room.